everyone, welcome back. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting the like. It really helps my videos and my channel. So today I am making a chicken pot pie with a gluten-free crust. You can use a regular crust, of course, if you like. I used about 1.5 cans of this cream and potato soup by Campbell's. This is a 10.5 ounce can. I'm also using this bag of frozen mixed vegetables. This is 10 ounces. You can use whatever kind you want. You're going to need about 1.5 to 2 cups of chicken. I think I've had about 1.5 of this leftover chicken that I shredded up to put in mine. Heat your oven up according to your pie crust instructions. Mine was 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm mixing everything together in a pan first to make sure the frozen veggies get cooked all the way, and then adding a few seasonings to it. Okay, so I scooped all of my filling into my pie crust. It's filled pretty much all the way to the top. And I'm going to take this other pie crust that came in the package and put it on top. So I broke my pie crust. I think I put it on the wrong way, but it's all crumbly, but that's okay. I'll just mush it together and it'll be fine when it's baked. It's all right. It is what it is. Your baking instructions will depend on the frozen pie crust you have, but mine was 400 degrees for 35 minutes, and this is how it turned out. It looks really nice and crispy. This is a great, easy, wholesome meal for the fall and winter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.